Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. It is so good to be back. So today I will be taking you on a tropical garden full tour. So come along with me. To start with, I have right here fever grass or lemongrass. I recently cleaned it up and it's not looking its best just yet. This is a papaya tree right here, not looking bad. My sugar canes are looking good. Right here I have some peanuts, cantaloupes, another cantaloupe, looking good. Marigold, beetroots and radishes growing here. Strawberries are under here and lettuce as well. A little spinach too. I have a struggling piece of thyme right here. Basil, ginger, turmeric, gungo or pigeon peas, grapevines here, nothing yet but still hopeful. Sugarcane from this angle. Mint. My favorite mint right here. Sweet pepper, cucumber. Another piece of thyme. Sorrel, bush beans. Sunflower. Radishes and okras. I have squash and corns here. Tomatoes and basil. Bush beans, cucumber, sunflower, cucumber here. This one I have for a while now. Peppers, sweet peppers, garlic, baby lettuces, basil, marigold, sunflower, another sunflower. I have some flowers over here. I have some lettuces, pak choy, parsley, mustard greens, Swiss chard, peas, arugula, and marigolds about to come up in here. Sunflowers and marigolds coming up here. Callaloo, spinach, scallions, kale, onions, radishes, marigold. I left this space for celery, collards here, more marigolds, kales, onions, carrots, beetroots coming up, cabbages, beets and turnips, more turnips, broccoli, cauliflower, a little tomato coming up there, basil, garlic, peppers, more peppers, scallions, sweet peppers, eggplants, okras, Thai peppers, zinnias, tomatoes, sweet basils, more tomatoes coming up, squash. Over here are sweet potatoes, pineapples, watermelons coming up alongside some marigolds, onions coming up, pumpkin, corns, and some lemons from seeds. I would like to just take the time out to thank everyone so much for your kindness towards me during my time of mourning. Thank you so much, everyone, for reaching out. You know yourselves, whether you reached out on this platform personally or on other platforms. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, what good?
Yes, I am. Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. I asked her where she from. She tell me in the tropics. She tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I